Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marquette County in north central Texas until 2 a.m. At 1:06 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 12 to 7 miles southwest of Bellevue, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Bowie, Nakota, St. Joe, Stillburg, Forestburg, and Sunset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.